How to sell crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Coinbase Wallet, and there on your account what you want to do is now you want to make sure that you are signed in my case, I'm not signed in, I'm unable to sign in here, but however I'll just be guiding you through. Once you're signed in, you'll get the trade option at the bottom of your screen, the arrow icon there. Basically you want to tap on it and you'll get these options, the buy and sell option. You want to simply tap on sell, select the amount you would like to sell, and select the asset that you would like to sell, the crypto that you would like to sell, and go through certain prompts, and there you'll be able to place your order in order to sell your crypto. So this way you can easily sell your crypto on the Coinbase wallet. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.